We are now in the purge cycle for 10 seconds. This is the higher RPM dry 1, 1800 RPM. The system is running perfectly smooth. Now we are moving down into dry 2, which is a slower RPM. The Semitool rinser dryer is set up for dual redundancy. Each head assembly and controller and power supply is independent of each other. So if you have any preventive maintenance issues, you're working on one of the rinser dryers, the second one is fully utilized. After this demo, I will go ahead and run both rinser dryers at the same time so you can see that the system processes dual cassettes, and I will do this for 2 or 3 process runs to show the system for its final quality control. I just heard the door sill uncome up, and the cassette looks good. Also on these systems, these also have the same electropolished bowls as the other head assemblies that I showed you. This is a nice electropolish. It looks great inside. The bottom system is the same. What I'll do now is reset up the camera at an angle, and I will load both rinser dryers and do multiple process runs. I have loaded the rinser dryer with 2 cassettes now, and I'll run final process runs of our quality control, showing how both the top and the bottom rinser dryer can work simultaneously. Part of a side note of our warranty and service repair, we serialize the Semitool controllers. We also serialize the Automotion amps and the PAC-SI brushless motors. All of those numbers are traceable in our software system at our facility. This allows us to make sure that if there's any warranty issues or service issues, we can backtrack any of these 3 main components to the system, when it was shipped and what customer was shipped to. Besides offering the Semitool the refurbished Semitool rinser dryers, we also offer complete spare parts. We offer 100% spare parts capability for this tool. We also offer new rotors for any and all substrates. We offer rebalancing of customers' rotors, and we also have an internal refurbishment program where our customers can send us their tools. We will then break them down to the frame and build them back up to our internal quality standards. As you can see, both rinser dryers are running perfectly smooth and simultaneously running a process. As you saw, the rotor is just uprighted. Process is over. At the end of process, the controllers, I will scan in on. They go back to idle mode. Idle mode with 0 time and 0 RPMs. It's actually 0 RPMs. There is no time on this system. I will now go back and I'll run and process again to show you the systems have been thoroughly tested and burned in quite extensively. Okay, the process is over. That will be the end of the demo of these two Semitool 870S spinner rinse dryers. Again, today is December 2nd, 2008. This demonstration and source inspection was conducted by myself, Jim Mullaney, for my customer who cannot fly into our facility. If there's any questions, you can feel free to call me at 916-797-9000, extension